Hello guys, welcome and let's do the question here before us. I read the question. In the figure, OP is equals to P, that is vector P, and OR is equals to vector R. Vector OS is equals to 2R, can put that, and OQ is equals to 3 over 2P. Expressed in terms of P and R, QR, and then PS. Then we are told M and N are scalars. Find two distinct expressions for OK in terms of P, R, M, and N, hence value of M and N. So guys, we start the question. The first thing guys we are going to do is to get QR. For the QR is supposed to be this point up to this point. Guys, we are told from OP is P, and we are also given that from OQ, that is from O to Q, is 3 over 2P. And so therefore our point QR, can write here, QR that we are looking for, then should be equal to OQ, which is now 3 over 2 as we have seen here. That is, we are moving from Q to R, so we move through this route. So from Q, we can actually write this. This is how we move QO and then plus OR. Guys, that is how we are going to move. And so therefore we shall have this as QO, which is now, this we are given is 3 over 2. 3 over 2, that is the opposite. Minus 3 all over 2P. And now plus R. And so therefore, that point then is going to be equal to R minus, vector R minus 3 all over 2P, vector P. And so therefore, guys, this is our solution for Q, vector QR. For now, PS, guys, you are going to move from P to O and then OS. Guys, we are given that OS, as you can see here, is 2R. And so therefore, this is going now to be 2R. So guys, you are going to have P, O, and OS. So this comes to PO, which is minus P. Now plus, as you can see, we are saying OS is 2R. OS here is 2R, that is OS. So this is now going to be plus 2R, and therefore we can write it as PS. So now guys, we have PS is 2R minus P, and so therefore we've been able to establish QR, vector QR, and vector PS. Guys, now we go to the next equation where it says find. We are told M and N are scalars. Find two distinct expressions for OK in terms of P, R, M, and N. And so guys, we now find the vector OK. So guys, for OK, we can move from OP and PK. And so guys, we first of all move in that direction. We can also move from OQ and QK, but let's first of all move this. So we have OP. For OP, this is P. And for PK, guys, we have this. We have N multiplied by PS. And the PS we already had. That is 2R minus P. Like that. Guys, now we come to OK yet again. We now choose another route. And this is now going to be equal to. So guys, we have this other route. And that is from OQ and QK. And this OQ now comes to, We had said OQ is 3 over 2P. This one is already given. Plus now QK. For QK, it's given by M multiplied by QR. So we have M multiplied by QR. And the QR we had already found it, which is R minus 3 over 2P. So guys, these are the two expressions we have for OK. We have this expression here, and we also have this expression. Guys, now we are looking for M and N. And let's look by equating those two equations. And so guys, I have these two equations. The first equation, guys, it comes to this. That is this equation right here. Guys, after evaluating that, I get this. So we have R, vector R, we have 2n plus p, and we have this 1 minus n. Guys, I have factored out the vector p, and I have factored out the vector R. So whatever scalar remains here, guys, for R and P should be the same for this equation, because remember those two vectors are the same. So the scalar for P is actually supposed to be 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2m. That is for the second equation. The scalar for R, guys, is supposed to be m. And so therefore, equating those scalars, guys, we are going to have for R, this is going to be 2m. And now for R in this equation is m. So guys, this should be equal. Now equating for scalar for P, this is 1 minus n. And for P on this equation is 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2m. Guys, as you can see, we form now two equations. And so guys, rearranging our two equations, guys, we get these two equations. And these are simultaneous equations. And guys, I've already done that. And the solution is m equals to a half and n equals to 1 over 4. And so guys, these are our solution. Thank you guys for listening to me. Bye bye.